Now we are going to see datetime module. It is there by default in the Python library. It will help you to know the default date format in Python program. 4 digits. First 4 digits, it is indicating your year followed by a hyphen, the next 2 digits for your month and the last 2 digits for the day. This particular module helps to do extraction and formatting of your date and time variables. Objects for datetime library are created in Python and holds the current date and time of your specific time zone. Calendar values associated with date class. It will hold year, month and day. It can be accessed using a particular format, class name followed by dot operator. Then you should specify the date objects like year, month and day. Now, in this particular datetime module, you are having two classes. One is called date class, other one is called datetime class. But I have written time class only, okay, because its name is same as your module. In this particular date class, we are just going to use a function called today function. When you are going to call this particular function, you will get the attribute values of year, month and day. Likewise, if you are going to call now function, you will be able to receive attribute values like hour, minute and second. See, in this particular program, I have imported datetime module and tdate, that means today's date, it is assigned with datetime module dot date class dot today function, and I have used that particular tdate to print. So I got the format 2020-05-20. A slight change from the previous program. In the last three statements of this particular program, I have tried to print the attribute values using tdate dot year, tdate dot month, tdate dot day. So I got the extraction year as 2020, month as 5, it will just return integers only, day as 20. In this particular program, I'm going to use datetime class of the datetime module. For that thing, I have imported datetime module. After that, I have created a variable tdt is equal to, that means today's date equal to datetime module dot datetime class dot now function. It will return today's date and time to this variable tdt, and I am trying to print tdt. In one stretch itself, it will print both date as well as time. From this one, you can extract the attributes. A slight change from the previous program. In the last three statements, I have tried to print the values of hour, minute and second. But when you are trying to print these values, please seek the help of the variable which we have created to store the present date and time. tdt dot hour, tdt dot minute, tdt dot second.